What's up, guys? Just want to update my 7M block is ready. So it's been a year. I haven't drove my Supra. Yeah, I really miss it. 5 months for the machine shop to finish it up, to deck the block, bore, check the clearance for the main, the crank, and the rod bearing as well. Yeah, super excited. Got it.
Put this in your back seat.
Back seat.
Man, that's so easy.
No. Okay, Johnny. Play that. He got it out. Okay, now we're going to the other side, boys.
Alright, shout out to Victor. He let me borrow the engine stand. Thanks, Victor.
The new ones, bro. I can't wait to see the new ones.
The silicone basket maker, high temp to the freeze plug, the hoses, so it will stay forever.
Hopefully never.
It's red or orange.
Yeah, that's true. Look at that, guys. As you can see, it's really red and orange. He's gonna hammer in with the hammer jigger.
That's what I wanted. Oh.
Look at that dude.
J-Z crankshaft main bearing. Look at that. I'm half 2JZ. Alright guys, this is the thrust washer, and it's going to face towards the crankshaft. Alright, so it's gonna sit like this, just like this one. Alright, and then the other side you're gonna install it same way, by the opposite, just like that. Okay, and voila. Also, the lower thrust washer is going to be face out towards to the crank as well. So, on both sides. Alright. Yeah. And also, don't forget to lube. Okay, lube the outside where it's face towards to the crank, okay? Not the back. Alright, just the front. Alright guys, don't forget to install your oil nozzle, okay, from the block. Alright.